Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream for coffee, only way. Start by choosing heavy cream with at least 30% fat and keep it cold until ready. Gently warm only a small portion if you prefer heated cream and never boil it. Whisk briskly or shake in a sealed jar for light froth, then fold into coffee slowly for a silky, stable finish that boosts flavor. Select fresh heavy cream and basic tools like a whisk, frother, or jar for shaking. Measure proportions to match your coffee strength and personal taste. If you want flavored cream, add a drop of vanilla or a pinch of salt to round flavors. Keep everything cold until the last moment for best texture. Practice gentle warming and whisking until you reach the creamy body you prefer without breaking the emulsion. Quick recommendation and a tiny ad break. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, a great read that changed how many people think about their future is The Simple Path to Wealth. It's practical and calming, much like a good cup with homemade cream. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start cold and work quickly for predictable results and stable texture. Chill tools and cream, then whisk or shake in short bursts to build body without overworking. If you gently warm cream, do so over low heat and remove before it simmers to preserve smoothness. Taste as you go and adjust thickness with tiny additions of milk or more cream, keeping the final cup balanced and creamy without overpowering the coffee.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.